That's the visual coming in from Hyderabad. It appears that the questioning of Allu Arjun has concluded. Is he going to depart right away? Because according to our information, that's his vehicle getting ready.
I already flashed that.
All right, so remember that at a time like this, while Pushpa to the Rule has been a super hit, a blockbuster, but what happened and unfolded on the premiere day at the Sandhya Theatre has proven to be a legal trouble for the actor, and also because not just because of the film or the stampede, but because he was there at the theatre where the stampede took place. A woman lost her life, her child currently critical. A political showdown breaking out, the BJP BRS charging at the Congress government, the Congress alleging why are these two political parties taking undue political advantage of a tragedy like this that has unfolded in Hyderabad. Cops believe there needs to be a precedent set, at least by these superstars who take everything for granted. Apurva Jayachandran is on the ground. Apurva, I believe you're at the police station where the questionings happened. To take us through the details, is the grilling concluded? Is he likely to leave? What could this mean?
Well, Pooja, in fact, it looks like the investigation questioning has concluded, and what we are learning is that Allu Arjun is likely to leave from Chikkarpalli police station to his residence in just a short while from now. Remember, he had been accompanied by his father, Allu Arjun, Allu Arvind, and also his legal team who had arrived here along with him for the questioning that had taken place. Remember, 11:15 a.m. that the questioning had started, and roughly almost over 1.5 hours that this questioning has carried on. For what we are learning from sources is that Allu Arjun had answered all the details posed to the questions that he had been asked by the officials. The investigation team that had been led by DCP and ACP there saw Allu Arjun answering to all these questions, all pertaining to what had happened at the Sandhya theatres there, and that's what we're also seeing in just a short, a few minutes from now. We can see Allu Arjun, who will be, leaving from the Chikkarpalli police station as well. His car has been ready. Police bandobast that has been kept here, ready to ensure that no persons are stepping onto the route that Allu Arjun will be taking forth.
Apurva, as we stay on with these visuals, that appears to be the vehicle of the actor, the questioning for which he arrived a few hours ago. Apurva, take us through the questioning details, because it appears that the senior officers of Hyderabad police are very clear. All right, we have some visuals coming in. Let's go across to that are earlier visuals. I correct myself. Apurva, go ahead. So the questions that have been asked are very specific. And why is it to the actor? It's not about his team as much, but directly asking him, was he aware? Did he approach the police or not?
Well, remember, this all goes on, and it ties up to what had happened on December 4th at the Sandhya theatres there when that stampede-like situation had happened. In fact, we also see the CCTV footage there, which shows the crowds that had gathered there as well, and, the kind had been unmanageable that the police or even the bouncers there were unable to manage these crowds, and that's what we're seeing from these videos as well. And all of this second round of questioning that is taking place here at Chikkarpalli today, it started around 11:15, 11:20 this morning and went on well until 1.5 hours, that is well until 1:15 p.m. This afternoon. And what we are getting to learn is that the entire interrogation that had taken place also followed on the lines of what had gone wrong at Sandhya theatres, what had happened, and what where the actor was at what time, and what was the sequences from his perspective that was being recorded there by the police.
All right, Apurva, we continue to stay on this big story. Allu Arjun, according to our information coming in, has answered all the questions without hesitation. He came prepared. He gave answers to many key questions that were asked by senior officers. But also one of the questions asked by the police were, did you know about the news of Revati's death that happened? He said, I got to know the next day. Apurva, can we say, and these are the visuals on your screen, the live visuals of the black vehicle, police deployment already happening. Can we say, Apurva, that the actor clearly came prepared with the answers he must have discussed with his legal team on the same?
Well, definitely, because remember, this is not the first time
All right,
that...
Apurva, I apologize to interrupt you there. Is Allu Arjun in that black vehicle?
Well, yes, Pooja, you can see that black vehicle. There sees Allu Arjun and his father, who have been seated inside as well. And this is the vehicle in which he had arrived here. Remember, he had arrived here in that same black vehicle as well.
Strict security cordon, symbolizing that possibly under that strict security, Allu Arjun is in that vehicle. We'll try and get, of course, more clarity on that. The vehicle was inside the police station. These two vehicles that have left. This was the car in which Allu Arjun had earlier arrived as well this morning. And it does appear, given the security around it and everyone and the roads that have been kept clear, that the actor has left. We'll try and get complete confirmation on it. Yes, Apurva, take us through the details of what was he asked, what did he say, because there must be a certain anger as well, about this incident, about the tragedy, because he may be a superstar, but many would question it's led to the loss of life of a woman and a child is critical.
Well, that's right. You know, we just saw Allu Arjun there leaving with his father and his legal team there in his vehicle. And, remember, the questioning went on for over 2 hours. And that's what we have also seen, the questioning taking place as well. Allu Arjun just left from the Chikatpalli police station. And it looks like he will also, be reaching his residence from here shortly. Likely, that's what we are also, being told. The line of questioning also included what had happened at the Sandhya Theatre, so that has been something that has been in the questioning time and again. The police are recording his statement as to what had happened, what he had witnessed, what was the information that he was provided, be it from his bouncers or from the police or from the theatre management there when he was present at Sandhya Theatres on December 4th. So all of this sequence that we can see taking place, Pooja.
All right, Apurva, as she's tracking all the latest on that, stay on with me, because here the senior officers who were questioning Allu Arjun a short while ago, key questions prepared, but from your information, Apurva, it appears that he was also as prepared with the answers. He was expecting what he possibly would be asked, whether the cops would be convinced with it. This appears, can we say, Apurva, turning out to be also as much cops versus Allu Arjun's team? That the more he's trying to say and claim innocence about it, even though he has been allowed to leave right now after 4 hours of questioning, that cops want to set an example of this as well. Trying to get more confirmation about who is in this vehicle, but considering the security around, we'll try and get more clarity. Can we say, Apurva, that 4 hours on, the actor and his father have reportedly left from the location, or could the questioning still be on? Go ahead, Apurva.
Well, we just saw the visuals of the black car in which Allu Arjun had arrived here from his residence, and he is also left now in that same car with his father as well. We can see both of them seated opposite each other in that car as they are leaving from here as well. It remains to be seen, remember, from here to his house, it's about 30 minutes of time. That is from Chikatpalli police station to his house here at Jubilee Hills. So, there is also heavy police that had been deployed at Jubilee Hills earlier on today as well. Police had barricaded that area. We also saw police ready with lathis and all sorts of measures to be taken if there should be any untoward incident that takes place there, just like on Sunday when we saw, miscreants coming and hurling tomatoes at Allu Arjun's residence. So this is also, a precautionary step of measure that the police are taking to provide security to Allu Arjun to ensure that nothing happens to him or his family as the the investigation does continue. This is a second notice that had been issued to Allu Arjun, and we also see that most likely investigation is likely to continue
Tell me
on.
this,
is not
because right now the cops are very clear. They want to show that they are in the right and they have enough evidence to suggest that the actor deliberately took the situation for granted and did not adhere to what the cops were asking. Now the legal team is at the Sandhya Theatre already for some reason. Could there be a chance, Apurva, according to your information, you must have been speaking to the senior cops, that could the actor also be taken to the theatre again?
See, the notices that has been issued to Allu Arjun states that, if needed, then there will be, he will be taken to Sandhya Theatres again for a possible crime scene reconstruction. But I don't, sources do say that as of now, this doesn't look like it's happening at this point, because remember, Sandhya Theatres, you still see that the theatre is functioning. There are crowds inside, fans watching the movie inside. So bringing him at this time will definitely be a cause of difficulty, not only for the police but also for Allu Arjun himself, because remember, it might create yet again a havoc again for the people.
All right, Apurva. So this is the big story coming in right now, that the actor claiming innocence, that I was there just at the premiere. The police never informed me about the chaos, commotion, stampede and much worse. The cops say neither was permission taken, and when the actor was asked to leave, he refused.